Hi there, this is Mark Zimmerman. I'm out here in Plantation Bay Golf and Country Club in Ormond Beach. I'm standing at 332 Stirling Bridge Drive. This is our Egret VI model. It is a move-in ready home, one of the few available move-in ready homes that we have currently in the community. I want to give you a little peek inside. I'll actually be holding an open house here at 332 Stirling Bridge Drive this Sunday from 3 to 5 p.m. if you want to come and take a look. It's a very open floor plan, just over 2,500 square feet. What we've done with this one to make it a little bit special is we've combined 2 bedrooms over here to make it a huge guest suite. You've still got another guest bedroom and bathroom back in the corner, your owner suite on this entire wing, as well as your study. Really big master bathroom, double vanities, large walk-in shower with a bench. Again, this master bedroom is awesome. 2 walk-in closets on either side of the hallway. If you want to learn more about this, give me a call.